In Kiama Downs, a common issue frustrating many homeowners is remote control problems with their garage doors. These issues can range from simple fixes like dead batteries to more complex problems such as interference or a need for reprogramming. If your garage door remote is giving you trouble, causing delays or security concerns, it's time to act. Residents of Kiama Downs, you can have your garage door remote fixed quickly and efficiently by calling our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111. Don't let remote control issues disrupt your day. Call now for expert service and ensure your garage door works perfectly every time you press that button.